Welcome back to Hot Rod City. Today's episode, I'm building door panels for a Peterbuilt. It's a big Peterbuilt wrecker for a local towing company. So this is this was the better of the two. Had a mat pocket. I'm not putting these back on because the other ones broke up pretty bad, and I can't even really get replacements. So these are made out of what used to be cardboard, I guess, like a press board, MDF type deal. So you can see the condition of this one. So pretty much all I did was I skinned it and used the cardboard to make a template. This is 1/4 inch lawn, 1/4 inch plywood, however you want to call it. They get screwed on. So once again, black vinyl. What we got here is headliner, or also known as 1/4 inch scrim foam. Only difference, I can buy this stuff locally. I'm using, I gotta have some more around here somewhere. There's no way I went through that box already. Today is 3M brand Super 77. I'm going to be sewing this panel up so it's not going to go anywhere. I just need to tack it on pretty much. So usually I use the 90, but that stuff's a bit more expensive and I don't like this 77, so I'm trying to get rid of it. Not that it'll definitely do what I need it to do. Alright, I'm laying this out. This is my first time doing one like this. It's because the seat, which I don't have in here, it's in the truck, has a panel similar to this. And I actually plan to do the whole truck like this. I'm marking this with one of these stupid space pins. Like $6 a pop, $7 a piece. It's got silver ink in there. It wipes off pretty easy, but it marks real good on vinyl. So I'm doing 1-inch pleats every 2 inches. And now I get to sew all these pleats on without trying to smudge off all the ink. So With both of the panels sewn up, I'm gonna attach the lawn, the actual panel, to it. So the way I'm gonna start doing this is I'm just gonna spray a boatload of glue way over there for no reason. Right about here. Give it a chance to set up. I'm going to staple this on there. So I've lined the panel up with one of the seams, so that way it's perpendicular and straight and plumb and all that, and I can line it up easily with both panels. As you can see in the original panel, there's a notch. Now I've made the same type of notch on here, except this flange, the top flange here, I've actually cut that completely off because of the way this is the driver's side door. It tucks in between the upper panel. There's a panel up here where there's a door lock and an armrest and a door grab. So the Luan won't fit behind that panel. It's actually pretty flush. So it had to be sandwiched pretty hard, and it actually kicked the panel out just enough, and it bugged me. So the way I'm doing it is a little differently. I'm folding over the fabric, letting it run long. I'm going to take this ruler, which is 1 inch, going to put a line on it. Get a little juice behind there. We don't want it on the table. Now I'm just going to run this edge through the sewing machine. there you have it. So this is the original door panel with carpet on the bottom, some gray funky stuff up here. So I was going to do some stuff like this and two-tone it, but my customer said he wanted something simple. It's not his favorite truck, as he says. So, and I was going to look online to try to replace these matte pockets with some like aftermarket ones. But oddly enough, I used to be able to find them here in the US years back, and I can't really seem to locate them now. I can find them in like Europe and Australia pretty easily, as most like overland websites, stuff dedicated to overland vans and all that kind of thing. So it's this. Now to this. So I like this, the new one. I feel like it gives it a real good big rig flair to it. Old, you know, days of yore, old school type thing. So it's a much more sturdier door panel. So, because now I can start on the seat. So if you like these door panels and see what other things I get into, hit the subscribe button. Give it a like, it helps my algorithm. I'm not getting monetized yet, so who cares on everything else, but catch you later.